All right, so we're on site here doing our Christmas light install. Here is our spool where we're making lights, all of our socket wire, and then we've got another about 200 feet here of premium LED bulbs screwed in here, and this is where we started, just up here a little while ago. A little bit dark, but we've got about 50 feet or so up here just above the garage. And then we got this peak done in the front. Steve and Andre are here just rocking it. And so we did that top challenging peak there, and we're coming around this gutter here, and then up top onto this last fascia, and then down on the final stretch here.